Hello and welcome back for another episode of SPAC News. Today is Thursday, June 16th. I'm Tony and this is what I have for you today. I'll be taking a look at Forbes' dilemma with Binance and the future of OPA. If you find any of the following information useful, hit that like button. If you would like to continue receiving SPAC news from this channel, make sure to subscribe. Give me your feedback on this video and the channel overall by leaving a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Binance Holdings' agreement to invest $200 million in Forbes is changing after the publisher's deal to go public by a SPAC merger with OPA fell through. In an interview with Bloomberg, Binance CEO Zhao reiterated that Binance still wants to make the investment, though he didn't give any details on how the terms would change, but noted that Binance's commitment to invest in Forbes was a part of a broader strategy to invest in traditional media outlets. Binance has also pledged to contribute around $500 million to Elon Musk's $44 billion buyout of Twitter, though sentiment around whether the deal will still go ahead has soured in recent weeks. Musk has complained of rampant spam bot networks dominating the social network and cast doubt on whether Twitter's user base is as big as the company claims. When asked if he was disappointed by Musk's apparent lack of motivation for completing the buyout, the Binance boss is hoping to contribute to Twitter some way somehow. Forbes had agreed to go public last year through a merger with Magnum Opus acquisition, a process through which Binance had expected to contribute $200 million in a strategic investment and to take 2 board of directors seats. It was as recent as about 2 weeks ago on June 1st that Forbes announced that its shareholders had terminated the deal with Magnum Opus. A cause for the decision was not given, but the deal had been pending for more than 9 months since its announcement on August 21, 2021. The parties announced a further wrinkle in February as Chinese crypto exchange Binance took over the deal's $400 million in PIPE commitments. Forbes, for its part, announced in its press release that it had achieved double-digit revenue and EBITDA growth over the previous year, outpacing the projections in its initial investor materials. Whether this is an early sign that it continues to look for alternative financial partners remains to be seen. OPA still has until March 25, 2023 to complete a business transaction, which would normally be plenty of time. I still have hope, keeping my fingers crossed. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this information useful. Hit that like button. Subscribe to continue receiving SPAC news from this channel. Till next time, later.